blowing some sparks for us on video. Good Lord. 16 woofers in one vehicle right there, guys. Fucking hell.
Coils are warm already.
That's one hell of a looking setup though. It looks vicious.
Oh, this is my plow truck.
This is your plow truck?
Yeah.
The hell? Kind of plow truck? That's the type of service I'd be calling in on site right there. Right. Hey man, I need you to come plow my driveway.
Knocking light switches off his head.
I want to get a little excursion shot of this thing.
Nice to see you. It's been
Dang it, guys. Sparks are flying for this woofer today. Definitely some cool footage, but never a fun time when it happens to you. Luckily for us, though, we just accidentally filmed one of the best examples of how things behave when shit hits the fan. Notice the subs moving like a drunken sailor all of a sudden? That definitely wasn't like that before. So let's rewind the tape and see where things went wrong. So, as you can see, everything was moving pretty nicely before the sub decided to blow chunks. Everything's in phase and our image is staying nice and uniform. So now let's jump ahead just a few minutes, boost things up to 240 frames, and see if we can get ourselves a better look at when the sub started moving crazy. Now we're about to see how other subs behave when just one of their buddies shits the bed. And boom! There it is, absolute bedlam. Nobody knows what to do. We got one guy over here waving around like a loony, another one over there doing the damn Macarena, and nobody's dancing together anymore. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is why a system is only as good as its parts. Throw just one of them off, and the whole thing comes tumbling down. Sorry about the blown woofer, Renali. It was great to hear your stuff, and I can't wait to hear what you come up with next. He sealed the deal on this one here at NADBL Finals.
Just because of that, yeah.
Oh no,
Looks like we did it. It sparked pretty big when I
well,
looked at it.
shit, that's not good, guys. We were just getting some excursion shots of this thing, and it looks like we got some. Is it delaminated? Oh no,
Come on, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah, she's stuck in the gap there.
Yeah.
We got some welding going on with that shit.
Oh, they're getting reconed anyway after today.
Oh, they were.
Yeah.
These are the HD. Wait, what are these again? HDC3s. That's what I thought they were, but
Awesome for SPL, but for ground pounding, I don't like them. I'm gonna have 8 of them in there.
8 of them. Oh shit. Damn. Well, guys, it was pounding. You guys saw the roof turning it into sheet metal jello. That is something else right there. Well, why don't you go ahead and slap a big thumbs up for our man up here doing a big, blowing some sparks for us on video. Good Lord. Sounding good while he's doing it, though. Look at this. Uh-oh. That's the base hairdo. I'm sorry.
I got baby hair.
We gotta get some conditioner on that bitch. So what's your name, man? What do you got in this thing?
Daryl McCoy
Yep.
from Ontario, Canada. It's got 16 American-based XFL12s on 2 American-based 1100.1s, 15 batteries, 3 alternators, 4 8s per door, 2 6.5s, 2 5 1/4s, and 4 super tweets per side.
He's got some custom door parts for us, for our viewing pleasure. American base, Nice super tweets. I love these little wave guys, I'm telling you, that little bullet look has always appealed to me. You build this all yourself?
Yep.
Self-built. That's one hell of a battery bank right there. Adapters for even more power going to the subwoofers, that's what that's for. Imagine driving down the road every day and this is what you see behind you.
This is my daily driver too, year round.
This is your daily driver? Oh my God, you guys, that's what it's all about right there. Extreme to the max. Those things working out.
Think I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal. Hey man. Hit the covers, I'm bro, grab the fake carry. Go down, baby. Come on, baby. Shady up. Hang me up. That's an understatement.
got the whole song on that one.
Full song demos.
Full song demos, man. Whew. Got me pounding with those lows, man. My heart is palpitating right now. 16 woofers in one vehicle right there, guys. What do you gotta say about that? Well, I gotta say fucking hell. Those things move quite a bit for us, don't they?
Yeah, not bad.
You got blowing some receipts out on it? Oh, shit, man. Say about that there.
What the hell?
You
I'm gonna be able to brush my hair for a week.
Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Lots of resin in there. Take a look, Bear. Take a look. Lots of woofers. Elise, what's your favorite? Setups with lots of little woofers or setups with fewer big woofers?
I don't know.
I'll be back in 5 minutes. I gotta go sit in this car.
Yeah, no problem, man. You gotta answer.
I don't know.
Do you like lots of woofers or do you like, you know, bigger woofers? Just answer so everyone can make fun of you. Well, guys, if you like big systems like this, be sure to slap a big fat thumbs up. Doing it big over here, sounding killer at the North American Decibel League Finals. Until the next video, this is EXO, signing out with our buddy Daryl. Woo!